Hello students, today we'll study about hydrosphere and atmosphere. So first we'll study about hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means all the water bodies on earth. All the water bodies means ocean, sea, river, lake, snow, ice, glacier, etc. together form the hydrosphere. Now, as we know, the earth is called as blue planet because large portion of it is covered with water. The hydrosphere comprises of all form of water. All form means we know water exists in three states or three form, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solid in the form of ice, liquid in the form of water and gas in the form of water vapor. Now we'll see why hydrosphere is important. Hydrosphere is important, or the water is important in many ways. Like it is used for drinking, washing, cleaning, etc. We require water for drinking, we require water to bath, we require water to wash the clothes, we require water to clean the utensils. Second, it helps in generating electricity and power. Water is not only used for cleaning and washing, but is also helpful in generating electricity. It is with the help of water that electricity has been generated. Water is also used for industrial purpose like production, manufacturing and cooling. It is with the help of water that industries helps in production, manufacturing and cooling. It is with the help of the water that industries produce, generate and cooling takes place. Farmer use water for various agriculture practices. Farmer use water in their agriculture practices because the crop that they grow requires water for their growth. Without water or without the help of the water, any crops cannot be grown. Water navigation help boost trade and commerce. With the help of the water trade, that now trade and commerce gets boosted. Ocean provide us with foods and minerals. As we know, there are different seafoods that are present in ocean or the water bodies, which not only provide us with them for food, but also with the minerals. Water bodies moderate the climate of a place. It is because of the presence of the different water bodies, the climate of a particular place keeps on changing or gets moderated. Now we'll study about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is the air blanket around us. The air consists of different gases. We cannot see that, but we can feel them. Basically, atmosphere is a thin layer of air envelops the earth. Envelops means the thing that covers the earth. The layer of the earth is called as atmosphere. It is held close to earth by the force of gravity. The air that surrounds the earth is held by the earth by the force of gravity. The atmosphere has many types of gases, as I told you, like it contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and different other gases. It also contains dust and water vapor. Atmosphere not only contains the air or the different types of gases, but also it consists of different water vapors and dust. Now, nitrogen, which is present in the air, constitutes 78% of the atmosphere. Oxygen present on the atmosphere constitutes 21% of the atmosphere. And the remaining 1% is made of carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas, argon, helium and other noble gases. Atmosphere is important part in the domain of earth. It is because of the oxygen present in the atmosphere that the other living beings is surviving on the earth. And the presence of carbon dioxide helps the plants to make their food. It also blocks the UV rays of the sun to reach directly on the earth because it is harmful for the human beings or the living beings. It also controls climate conditions and change in season. Atmosphere not only helps in maintaining the climatic condition but change in season.